Fatality.
Yo, it's your boy Bobby's 37. And today I got a new video. It's gonna be a short video for y'all, but I got my new Redeye Hellcat hood for my Daytona Charger, and yeah, I love it. I mean, like I said, I've been looking at this hood for a while, and I got a decent price from the guy that sold me the hood, and I tried to get this hood from eBay. It was a disaster, and yeah, like I'll show you the pics right here. Yeah, and the hood, I mean, it wasn't even the same hood. On top of that, like, it was the same hood I had but black. So it's like it didn't make no sense, and it was a disaster. So, and yeah, it was just a horrible purchase, and there was a battle between me and eBay getting this. I'm not getting anything from eBay ever again, so that's the last time I'm gonna order for them. So I'm gonna give you a look at my new Redeye Hellcat hood. Funny thing is, this hood matches my roof for the car, so I'm not going to even try to wrap it or paint it. I kind of like its look, the two-tone, and it definitely helps with the airflow right here. So I said I love it. Definitely matches the hood and the roof perfectly. So give your boy a like, a share, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think about this. Leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate it. You have a blessed day. Peace.